What's up, guys? DUBB. Welcome to my channel. This is my 1992 Toyota pickup truck 4-cylinder, and today I'm going to show you how to replace the struts. I got the rear replaced already. They're quite simple. Just one bolt's on top, one bolt's on the bottom, and the front a little more trickier, but once you know how to do it, it's pretty simple. And you got a 14mm nut on top to secure the top struts tower, and on the bottom you got two bolts down there. They are 12mm. So this is what it looked like after taking it out. So you got two bolts on the bottom and one nut on the top. These are the cheaper struts that I got, and so I went ahead and got some Monroe struts, but I don't notice a difference in it. I think these are like recycled struts. They rebuilt them. You can see it said made in USA on here, on all of them, and the new one, it's no difference. Also say made in USA. I think what happens is like they collect all these used struts, they rebuilt them, and they paint them different colors. So if you get the white one, it's cheaper, and if you want to pay like a little more money for it, they just paint a different color and dump in the box. It doesn't even say anything on the struts itself. It says Monroe. Here they just charge you a little extra just for the label on the box. So anyway, I'm gonna show you how you take it off. And take it off is pretty easy. Undo all the nuts and bolts. Kind of hard to see down there, but these are the 12mm bolts. I got the up jacked up already, so this way the tire is off, and so when I remove it, I got enough space for me to remove the struts. This one right here. Alright, that part is done. I'm gonna squirt a little WD-40 right here so this will spin freely. A little rusty. On the opposite side, the upper nut is located inside of the engine compartment, but on this side here is on the outer part of it. I'm not sure why, but anyway, it's easy. If the bottom rod right here starts to spin, you can get a pair of pliers and just grab onto it and secure it. Vice grips work just as fine. I'm gonna reuse these washers right here. Alright, should drop right out. Let me jack the car a little higher. So let me go ahead and insert the new one. So what I want to do is go ahead and bolt the bottom first. If you try to do the top first, then you have a little hard time trying to line up the bolts on the bottom. So the best way to do it is to secure the bottom. Bottom is done. Let's work on the top. Remove the upper part right here, and I got the metal washer in between. So I got one down here. I'm gonna push this thing down. All right, like that. Alright, it's tight enough. I'm gonna put another nut on top of there, basically ensuring the other one doesn't move out. And that's it. Very simple. It's done, and you can do it very quickly. And the back ones are pretty simple as well. You got a bolt here and a bolt on top. Just loosen it up and replace them, and you're done. Alright, so I hope this little trick right here helped you installing the front struts. Do the bottom bolt first, then do the top. If you do the top first, you can have a hard time struggling trying to line up the bolts on the bottom. Alright, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you next time. Bye.